Hey, what's up, good people? Welcome back to Stock Up with Larry Jones. Come on, join the family by hitting that like, subscribe, and the notification bell. We're going to talk about big tech. We're going to talk about, we may touch on a little crypto at the end, at the last minute, but this is mainly going to be about the stock market because there is a lot of money to be made. It is not a recession. This slight pump up will continue. We'll see you in 30 seconds. PCE. PCE was the data that we had today. A lot thought it could have, and it really could have. It could have brought the market down, but it was kind of in line. Inflation is still sticky, good people. So let's just listen to it live, and then we'll take it from there.
Yes, we are waiting for, of course, the personal income spending, all the associated inflation metrics. This is a March number looking for roughly up 0.5% on income, and it delivers up 0.5%, up 0.5% on income, a 0.8 on spending or consumption. And the 0.8 is definitely warmer than expected. It actually equals our last look, and our last look, that was the best since January of 23. So back-to-back 0.8% on spending. Of course, revisions still may be forthcoming. If we look at inflation-adjusted consumption or spending, called real personal spending, it's also up more than expected, up 0.5%. Up 0.5% equals December of last year. To find a bigger number, you have to go to January of last year.
But inflation is still stagnant, good people. It's just around too high. Now we're looking at after September sentiment, say, if there is any, which I don't think there will be any this year, if there is any rate cuts, it will be after September. I just think that that's a lost cause at this point. I don't think it's going to happen if inflation continues to be sticky. Okay, so hey, let's go right here to it. We could see it right here live, 30 minutes before closing bell. We could see, let's go by the highest number. NASDAQ is up. Look at that. We got the NASDAQ, we got the Dow, okay, and we got the S&P. Let's throw the Russell in there. Look at that, good people. Let's just stair step down. It looks like it's going to be a good closing bell. Usually when we've had data like we had yesterday with GDP, gross domestic product, and today we have personal consumption. And, it's a good day. It's a good day, especially for a Friday. You guys know how this goes. So look, there's a few more things that we need to talk about. Digital advertising companies are killing it. Snap is up 27%. And I have something I want to talk about. Okay. Snap is up 27%. Look at that, good people. Oh, snap. It is killing it. Digital advertising companies are really, really killing it. Companies like Google. Let's look at Google, shall we? Let's look at Google. GOG. Alphabet. Look at that, good people. Still up. Still up. Companies like Alphabet and Microsoft, right? So these big tech companies have a strong comeback, good people. And so a lot of people have been asking about options, and I have been suggesting that this season, especially with earnings coming in good, is a good time to add to your long-term position. DCA, dollar cost average. And as a matter of fact, let me show you guys this. Let's go right into it. All right. This is my blue chip, $5 a day. Remember, I literally created this so we can kind of track it. Okay, this is not all of these positions that I have. This is the portfolio that I put together to share with you. Now, you guys know I sold all of my Tesla and Apple out of this portfolio. And then I got back in a few days ago, 2 days ago. And so now I have Tesla and Apple that I'm DCAing in on, but Apple went down so low, so I got back in. You can see it's down for the day. But at the bottom, this is the power of just adding to your long-term positions. As you can see at the bottom, this portfolio is up 24%. Even with Apple flat, it's still up 24%. This is the power of DCAing. Now, what do you think this is going to be as I continue to DCA my $5 a day, which some days is $10 up? It depends. When it goes down, I go in heavy and just buy the red while other people are fearfully running. Okay, so that's what I wanted to show you guys. But I also have another one that I want to show you guys. Small caps. Okay, so I am going to talk about Palantir and I'm going to talk about SoFi. Right, these are small cap growth stock. And these are also ones that I have been dollar cost averaging in. And I'm going to show you something leading in up to earnings. Palantir I'm doing a buy the rumor, sell the news option that I haven't gotten into yet. This morning would have been the best time to do an option on Palantir, but I'm working for you guys. So I keep missing out, trying to keep the family fed. A lot of people in the Discord are got in on these options. But if you look at Palantir and SoFi, they are both telling a story. I'm going to share that with you. Palantir is running up, but I have been loading up on my positions because I believe Palantir will be $100, $80 to $100 company in about 18 months. That's what I believe. And SoFi is doing the exact same thing. Now, Palantir is reporting May 6th, so we have time. SoFi is reporting on the 29th of April, and I believe that that's Monday. So that may be upon us. So let's just look. Let's go back. My quote unquote $5 a day, only up 12% on this portfolio. But as you can see, my SoFi was red and I was loving it being red. I wanted it to stay red for a long time. Okay. But you guys see that DraftKings, I'm up 49% on DraftKings. Palantir, I'm up 24%. And as you can see, it's my biggest position in this portfolio. Remember, I'm not trying to catch the bottom because I want to buy as much as I can this year because I do believe that it's going up. Let's pull it up. PLTR, Palantir. Okay, so as we can see, Palantir, what's the story that Palantir is showing us? Remember, for those of you that want to, you got time on this to play earnings. This is how I play earnings. I don't guess. I don't have my money in there praying that they beat earnings. Okay, was it an earnings miss or was it an earnings beat? You guys saw this week, Tesla missed earnings and it went up. Microsoft beat earnings and it went down. So there's no telling which direction it will go in the after hours. Okay, but here's what I do like about Palantir. This is what I am going to add this to the class, Stock Up You, where I teach all of this. My psychology trading, my momentum trading, and reading the charts. So this is what I'll tell you about Palantir. Here's a story that it's telling. Here's a story. You guys know you had that in your mind. So remember, if you see a path in 5 days, you can literally see if you go out, even when you charting, go out, do a monthly, do a weekly, and then a daily and then an hourly and time it out. All right. Then you can see it's been telling a story that's going up, leading up. And so what does that tell you? You could have done a call option. Remember, I was saying earlier this week that if you're going to do short-term options on earnings, what I do is called buy the rumor, sell the news. You buy it based on the rumor and you sell it before the news. Okay. And so you would have been making money doing Palantir calls. These are options, okay? But not just Palantir. Let's see what SoFi is telling us. SoFi is probably going to tell us the same story. Watch this, good people. Let's just do this live. SoFi is going to tell us the same Look at that. Same story, good people. Same story. So Palantir and SoFi is telling us the same story. It's almost like it's the same stock, right? You see that? Boom, 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 boom. Right. Now, I am more bullish on Palantir than I am SoFi. I'm definitely not. I am not holding SoFi until earnings. I'm not. If you are, leave me a comment, okay? If you are, God bless you. All right. All right. So I cover that. You know what? Let's go. Let me show you guys this while we have a little time. Listen, if you really want to learn options, then we got you covered. Taught by one of the best technical analysts I know. That is Charting with Stocks with Josh. He's going to show you how to do technical analysis. And then Keenan Grace is going to give you an introductory into options for absolute beginners and show you. And then I come back and show you how I use options for momentum trading. And then if you want to learn and earn with crypto, that's all in here. That is Stock Up You. And you can buy now, pay later by using a firm. If you have a firm, you can use it. If not, sign up for a firm. You can buy the class now and pay for it later by using a firm. And for those of you that are older, you can gift it. You can gift the class to a loved one or a friend, especially somebody's young. You tell them, here, make me some money. All right. That's the way you do it. Okay. So did I cover everything? A Palantir, SoFi, You know what? Let's look at a little Tesla and Microsoft and see what we can see. So we can see Tesla is down by 1.5%. But listen, remember what we were saying. Okay, wrong window. Tesla is down by 1.5%. We want to maintain above 160. I'm not going to pull up a chart. We want to maintain 160. We want to stay above 160 for Tesla to have the potential, to continue to run upwards. If we can see over the last 5 days, Tesla is still up, 19%. Microsoft, all right, which is another company that is into AI. Listen, the digital advertising businesses like Microsoft and Google and Snap, those companies are doing well. Why are they doing well? Because of AI. AI has made digital advertisement a thing again, and these companies are winning because of AI. So digital advertising companies, Microsoft, Snap, Google, Zoom, those type of companies are really using AI as a benefit. Microsoft, as we can see it, look, even over the last 5 days, we're still up a little bit, but not by much. We had that fall off, remember, and then right back up. We're not even going to look at Meta. Meta is still, slow accumulation for me. Here's Google, right? Look at that, 11%. Let's just call that 11% up. Okay, good people. You know what? We'll talk about crypto tomorrow. Crypto is down, and it's down for the day. Crypto is down for the hour, down for the day. Crypto knows that, interest rates are not coming down. They're not coming down anytime soon. So that's negative for crypto. Crypto does not do well in with raising interest rates and high interest rates. One of the reasons that's been helping crypto to move forward was the potential or the promise of lower interest rates. If we had lower interest rates right now, crypto would be on fire. All right, but here's what I'm going to tell you in leaving. I never leave from here on out, on weekends, stop losses on everything. And I just wanted to show you guys this. I just made a video on my Instagram. I will leave a link for there. Listen, I want you guys to only go to my Instagram through this page. I'm going to leave a link for my Instagram. Here, I share with you in 1 minute how to set a stop loss on all of your crypto. And lastly, come join the Stock Squad. So those will be the 3 that I'm going to have. My Instagram, the Stock Squad, where we give you our best plays, and then you guys know that you haven't invested in yourself. Invest in yourself and make more money. We're going to leave it right there. This morning I couldn't find that outro, but today I will. Listen, while this outro is playing and we jamming, make sure you check those 3 links out. Everybody, join my Instagram, all right? Hit follow. That's easy. Patreon, where you get the best of the 4 of us, and then Stock Up You for those of you that really, really, really do need it. We'll see you later. Live, love, laugh, and learn.
What's up, good people?